Test your English. Do or does. There are 10 questions and you have 10 seconds for each question to answer. The answer will be shown after the time is up. Write your score in the comment sections. Number 1. Question. Do or does. Answer. Do you see me? Do. Number 2. Question. Do or does. Answer. Does Farhan do his homework? Does. Number 3. Question. Do or does. Answer. My sister does her job well. Does. Number 4. Question. Do or does. Answer. Where do his friends go? Do. Number 5. Questions. Do or does. Answer. Why does he write me letter? Does. Number 6. Question. Do or does. Answer. Do they join the meeting? Do. Number 7. Questions. Do or does. Answer. With whom do you play tennis? Do. Number 8. Question. Do or does. Answer. Does the monkey eat banana? Does. Number 9. Questions. Do or does. Answer. What does he think about me? Does. Number 10. Question. Do or does. Answer. My parents do love us. Do. Write your score in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.